Hi, let us look at the 6 steps to rational decision making. These steps are: number 1, define the problem; number 2, determine the criteria; number 3, evaluate the criteria; number 4, explore options; number 5, rate options; and number 6, calculate the best decision. The step number 1 is define the problem. Normally, a problem can be defined as a scenario in which the current situation does not match the desired situation, or any time the actual performance does not matches your expectations. Other labels for a problem include challenges or opportunities, or any situation or circumstance for which there is room for improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.